Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own voice assistant in Python, something like a mini Jarvis. It can listen to your voice, understand the commands like open YouTube, tell me the time, play music, etc. We will build this step by step inside VS Code, install the required Python libraries, write the code, and finally test it live. So let's get started. First, let's open Visual Studio Code. Go to View, Terminal, and over here go to cd dot dot. We are opening E drive. So inside E we are going with project folder which we used for last project. So over here we are creating one directory. So it is created. Now we are going inside the chatbot voice. Now just type code. It will open the code dot. It will open the folder in the VS Code. Now it is open. We can close the existing one because we will be running under this folder. So go view terminal again. Now we are creating virtual environment. That is the first step before installing any libraries. So why we are installing virtual environment is it is like a private workspace. So whatever package installing inside this workspace, it will not affect any other different projects. So that's why we are creating a virtual environment. So first we'll create a virtual environment with Python -m virtual environment, and you need to give environment name. So I'll give VNV1 for example. Enter. See here the VNV is getting created. So we need to wait for some time. Once it is created, we need to activate it. That is the second step. It is done. Now venv scripts activate.ps1 dot slash venv scripts venv scripts activate.ps1. So we can go inside the folder venv scripts. Or just we can copy this and we'll try with that. .ps1. It is activated. How I'm saying it is activated? Because this virtual environment one displays before our code. So we are entered inside the virtual environment. So dot okay. Instead of we have given venv, so we have created the name called venv1. So that's why we are getting this error. Now the next step is we are going to install the required packages. First, hit install Speech recognition. So why we are installing this? This converts our speech into text. So that is completed. Now we are installing second package. Pip install. So this we are installing because it will convert what text to speech. Spelling mistake. Install py python text to speech. It is completed. Now we are installing third one. Pip install PyAudio. Why we are installing this one? This it will access our microphone. So that's why we are installing. So this also now we are installed. So we need to verify whether it is installed. So pip show PyAudio. Pip show. See a text to speech library for Python 3. So it is installed. So same way pip show that is also installed. Now pip show this 3 installed. Now we are going to test our mic is working. For that one I'm creating one dummy test Python file test.py. So here we are writing some code. Import speech recognition as sr r equal to sr dot recognizer try with sr dot microphone as source. Print adjusting this we need. Okay, r dot adjust for ambient noise, and we will give the source, and duration will be like 0.5 seconds. And again we are print audio equal to r dot listen source, comma, timeout equal to 5, comma, phrase time limit, we are giving some 7. Now print is recognizing, print r dot recognize, okay, exception as e, print mic error, e. Okay. So once it is typed, you need to save. Otherwise, it will not be saved. It will show as white if anything modified. If this file is not saved, it will show as white. If Control S, see here, it is done. Now we are testing by running this file, Python space test.py. If I run this, hello, how are you? So see here, my mic is working and it is recognizing what I'm speaking and it is telling what I spoke. We have tested everything. Now we are creating a original Python script which is voice dot py. First one we are importing the library. So import speech recognition as SR and PyStTX Python to text to speech we are importing. Then we are importing date and time. Then we can import Wikipedia, web browser, OS, time, and we can import random. This one we can do later. Random import sys. We have imported. Now we are giving setup. We are starting with setup of text to speech. We are defining the function called init initialize a TTS in bracket refer female equal to true, weight equal to 170. First we are initializing engine equal to text to speech initialize. So we are referring female voice in the right speech is 170. Then voice is equal to engine dot get property voices. Then voice index equal to 1 if prefer female, prefer female and length of voices is greater than 1 else 0. Now try engine dot set property voices of voice index equal to id, then type except exception voice of dot id there bracket here engine dot set property is equal to 0 of id engine dot set property of rate return engine. Now engine equal to init tts. Again we are define speak. Next before this one give print assistant engine dot save text engine dot runway. Okay, now setup is completed. Now we are moving into greeting. Fine. Wish user so it will check automatically the date and time and hours. So based on that, if hour is less than 12, speak good morning. If hour less than 18 hours, 12 to 18, then good afternoon. Else it will give good evening. Then again speak. How can I help you? Return typed dot lawyer and type print recognizing query equal to or dot recognize Google audio, and we need to add extra one as language equal to English in India. Print you said return query dot lower except star dot unknown value error yet could not understand audio except sr dot request error as e. Print could not find result. Exception as e. Print return. Working main assistant logic. Define main of speak of adding assistant sleep 6.5 wish user user directory equal to half I given just a thing. You need to give your music folder name. Then we are giving jobs equal to why do to query dot command if not query continue. If time in query, time in query now, datetime now, string hour, minute, percentage, seconds as well. The time is now. Elif open YouTube and query HTTPS, and here we need to use speak. Open YouTube. Elif open Google and query Elif query dot start with search, then query replace search, comma one bracket dot script of methods. Speak searching for term, web browser, yes, term, else no such term provided. Then LF play music and query if OS dot path exist songs underscore name main I main of except keyboard interrupt current return sys dot exit of 0. Now it is not saved. Save it. Now we will be testing using python dot voice underscore assistant dot py. Now we'll see.
Starting assistant.
What is the time now? How are you? So see here, the time I have asked what is the time now. It converted my speech to text and it given the exact time now. And we have given the speech timeout for 7 seconds only. So it waited for 7 seconds and it got disconnected. Now again I can run. So
Starting assistant.
how are you? Who are you?
Starting assistant.
Open YouTube. Open YouTube. See here. Now it is opening our YouTube. Whatever we have given, it will open. So like that, we can use many topics and it will give us it will be helpful for a voice assistant for ourselves. Whatever we are doing, so we can ask this bot to do. So if we are opening YouTube, what we will be doing? We have to open a browser and we have to type in the search bar YouTube. So then it sometimes it will give the YouTube website. If you are giving, it will go directly to YouTube. If unknown person is using and they are typing, they need to type YouTube, then the search bar gives YouTube pages, then they will click YouTube, then it will open the YouTube original page. Instead, if you are running this voice assistant, so what it will do, you can tell Jarvis you can open YouTube. So what it will do, it will open YouTube automatically without any user interference. So that's why this voice assistants will be helpful for us. So now you can expand this project further by adding commands like opening apps, reading the newspaper, or even controlling Internet of Things devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comment with what features you would like me to add next. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.